Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When cracking your fingers, toes, shoulders, elbows, back, or neck, the sense of relief is achieved when that tension is released. The joint feels relaxed again, which helps to alleviate stress in the body.
Take our lead.
Cracking your knee is safe if pain or injury don't accompany the sound. Experimenting with joint loosening exercise, like Pilates and yoga, could make your joints more flexible. You can also ask your doctor for their recommendations. Don't ever try to crack a joint that's giving you pain.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.